The world is full of natural wonders, and volcanoes are one of the most fascinating. They're beautiful, awe-inspiring, and absolutely terrifying. However, some volcanoes are more dangerous than others. Today in this video, we're going to explore the top 10 most dangerous and spectacular volcanoes in the world. Enjoy watching! Number 10. Papacatl, Mexico. This active volcano is located just 35 miles from Mexico City and has erupted over 20 times in the last 500 years. If you live in this area, it's important to have an evacuation plan in place.
The world's most active volcano has erupted once again, witnessed by local residents.
Number 9. Sakurajima, Japan. This volcano is located on the southern island of Kyushu and is one of the most active in Japan. It's been erupting almost constantly since 1955, and scientists predict a major eruption in the near future. Number 8. Mount Merapi, Indonesia. This volcano is located on the island of Java and is one of the most active in Indonesia. It's erupted over 80 times in the last 500 years, and its eruptions can be extremely violent. Number 7. Taal Volcano, Philippines. This volcano is located on the island of Luzon and is one of the most active in the Philippines. Its last eruption was in January 2020 and caused widespread damage. Number 6. Mount Niragongo, Democratic Republic of Congo. This volcano is located in the eastern part of the country and is one of the most active in Africa. Its last eruption was in 2021, causing destruction in nearby towns. Number 5. Mount Vesuvius, Italy. This volcano is located near Naples and famously destroyed the cities of Pompeii and Herculaneum in 79 AD. It's still active today and poses a significant threat to the surrounding area. Number 4. Mount Erebus, located in Antarctica. This active volcano is known for its stunningly beautiful lava lake, which is one of the few in the world that's accessible to researchers. Number 3. Cotopaxi in Ecuador volcano. Located in the Cordillera Central mountain range in central Cuba, Cotopaxi is one of the tallest volcanoes in the world at 19,393 feet. It is also one of Ecuador's most active volcanoes and has erupted more than 50 times since the 16th century. Number 2. Mount Aetna in Italy. This active volcano is Europe's largest and most active, and it's been erupting for over 500,000 years. Number 1. Stromboli in Italy. This active volcano is known for its frequent small explosions, which create a stunning display of lava and ash. Thank you for watching. I see you in the next video.